Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to enable or disable bold font in Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, go to display. And display, scroll down and find the font size and style. Okay, tap this. And font size and style, okay, you can see the bold font. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to enable the bold font, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully enabled the bold fonts on my Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully disabled. And okay guys, I decide to enable the bold fonts to my Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully enabled or disabled bold font in Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.